Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to join Microsoft Teams meeting using the link in your laptop and desktop or PC. All right. So here, see for example, I am the host. So when the host send you a link using different platforms, so say for example, we are going to use Messenger. So the host will get a link to share. All right. And then after that, okay, so now the link has been copied to the clipboard. So the host are going to use Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, or any platforms. And then just going to paste here the link and then they're gonna send it to you. Okay, so after you receive the link, all you have to do is to simply click on it. Okay, and then just simply click on continue on this browser. Okay, so once the meeting starts, of course, you will be redirected to that specific section where you have to click on the join now option. Okay, and then once the meeting starts, so you will be redirected to this page where you can join the meeting. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.